Diotheletism is the view that Christ has two wills, a human will and a divine will. Monotheletism is the view that Christ has just one will.
Mhm.
And the reason that I think monotheletism is the more plausible view is that I think that wills are associated with persons, not
Okay.
with natures. Natures don't have wills. If they did, then I think you would have two persons in Christ, a human person and a divine person, and that would fall into the heresy called Nestorianism. Rather,
Mhm.
it seems to me that it is a person who has a will, and since there is one person who Christ is, it follows that there is one will in Christ.